Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Prome AI to create stunning floor plans. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. You need a 2D layout or a detailed 3D rendering from AI has covered to get started. Simply sign up for free using Go. Once you have created your account, you will see this dashboard. PR AI give you 10 free credit to experiment with this feature. For the floor plan generation, use the sketch rendering option. This feature transforms basic sketch into the detailed wall plans. First, upload your floor plan sketch. You can use one of the simple sketches available or upload your own design. Now add a description for your floor plan in the prompt section. If you are unsure, click Enhance Prompt to let the AI refine it for better result. Next, customize your design. You can choose a style. It can be minimal voltage and vintage marble design. Adjust the creativity level and higher value. Make it more abstract. Set a perspective and a lighting preference. Once done, click Generate this course and credit per image within the second PRA. Generate multiple versions of your floor plan. Pick the one that best matches your version and vision. If needed, refine it further by uploading a reference image for better accuracy. You can personalize your floor plan by adding elements like furniture and the carpet and additional wall. Just update your prompt and prompt will tweak the design accordingly. The free version include a watermark and standard resolution. To remove the watermark or to get high quality images, just consider upgrading a premium plan, and that's it.